What you want me do? Eh? She and the girl a fight. What you want me do? Jump up and go in there and bloom, 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 bro. You know no well want to say something about me? All of who dey on them live land, me say all you say, bro, listen to me. Me nah link nobody girl pitney, bro. I no gang them a gang Rose, dog.
I remember some of the chat mixed up. I'm a baby mother, I say, yo, who should go out with more protective? Who should go out with should have more protector? And see, who should go with should have more protector, brother? You go to people who can't protect you. If you go to people who can't protect you, brother.
When you see me party people, me not afraid, me not keep company. When me a go down, me carry one or two dancers with me and that's it. Me not party people, me not keep friend. Me is a lone soldier.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, already know the thing set. We are blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If me that upon the beat and it can't see. Upon the screen, everybody is out here defending their name. Some people putting out the comment section if you think Akeem is shame. You know what I mean? Because I'm not gonna tell you no lie. She should have tried to prevent what happened at this event at RIU. You know what I mean? Because no homegirl can slap lawsuit and she and I'm on the hotel and all of this stuff. You see what I say? But that's what he should have done since him saying, you know, a woman thing and all of these things, you know. But we ready to see the pre. Him to really check for Shorty. You know what I mean? Because whoever was sitting down next to him was recording and he was laughing. You see what I say? I know Jake said I'm fake. You know what I mean? Because Rosealee, they call him for help and all of this stuff. You see what I say? Put in the comment section where you think about that because boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. What a wedding and a disastrous honeymoon. You know what I mean? So no Diamond and all of these people is clearing up them name and all this stuff. So we're going to hear from Akeem, Jakes, and Diamond. So let's like and share the video from now. Let's see about going for to go on this.
What you want me do? Eh? She and the girl a fight. What you want me do? Jump up and go in there and bloom, 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 bro. You know no well want to say something about me? All of who dey on them live land, me say all you say, bro, listen to me. Me nah link nobody girl pitney, bro. I no gang them a gang Rose, dog. I no gang them a gang Rose. And if me they get up and go kick her thump that the girl, yeah, who know that come beat me today, you know? Who know that come beat me today and say, watch it, him no like woman. See, them a big bro, me no do that. Bro, you say if them did a ganger, me nah say me would go in there. But bro, a one-on-one that, bro, me nah do that, bro. Quickest way if you get cancelled, yeah, mad? You can't put your hand on people, girl, pitney, brother. Come like something wrong with doing you know, bro. Come like something wrong with doing, bro. And Jakes, let me tell you this. Listen to me. Let me tell you something, big man. With respectfully. You kill a blood clot girl with beating. You kill a girl with lick. So right there they say you chat up your mouth about protect. You never protect her when you have her. You kill a girl with lick, brother. Here, you kill a blood clot girl with lick. And problem. So when you're there, you chat, you never protect her. She did want protection from you, brother. And that may I tell you. I should have my bum buckler, mother. Should have my bum buckler, mother. And my sister here. And that may I tell you. And then they chat, protect what? I say you protect people. You kill a bum buckler girl with lick. I want to know you about protect on this and that. We're up on a compound. Rose and the girl at tussle. Eh? Move on a bumbo clad from right here. So me nah lick no but you say if them did a ganger, me would have go in there. But bro, me nah just get up and go lick nobody girl pitney so you know. Me no stay so me no grow so bro. And me nah go sit well with me. Me nah put me hand on no woman brother. So if I that you know force me if you do no cancel my bumbo clad over here cause me nah lick no woman. That's what you know I tell me say. Eh? Two girl a fight. This big great one tough man gone go lick blood clot girl for what? I say her friend them that gang my blood clot and beat me out there. I want him to know. Get a hold on a bum clot self here man. Where you know I tell man say? Where you know I tell me say? I can't tell.
If you know say yo, I share the little man them God. And them chat bossy boy and them chat bad and bossy about how them to treat woman and how man to treat woman. You can't protect your woman. No, you can't protect a woman What we are doing? What you doing? Little man? And you know, some I'm not know to blows us. Because you always talk about someone not take your side, I'm not take your side, I'm not take your side. A vacation a gone pan, you know, you're not supposed to fight. Me I tell you the truth. Big man thing, a vacation a gone pan, you ignore. Learn for years when you're talking and just follow that. Is it? Is it?
No, I'm doing fine. Listen a moment. I'm doing business. You know a moment? I love him.
You see, the little man. Because some little piece of tail man, them, you know. Some little man. I don't really pay them no mind. You see it.
What is it, friends? You want to carry on?
I'm at my family house. I remember some in a chat mixed up. I'm a baby mother, and I say, yo, who should go out with more protective? Who should go out with should have more protect her? You see, who should go with should have more protect her, brother? You go to people who can't protect you. If you go to people who can't protect you, brother. I get that.
You know, so early start. We're not starting nothing.
The first way of protecting you, know. First way of protecting you, I to stop you from go fight. That's the first thing. Stop you from go fight. Because you could have lick her and hurt her, you got in trouble. You could have get hurt when you end up in a hospital. So two-way protection come right there, so. Stop it from go fight from the first place. Because you could have licked the person and a jail or reach, or she ask you and a hospital or reach.
Yes.
Is it?
I'm for talk about you have your gas now, yes, no gas. It's quite alright. What's the one booking house?
Well, Chin, make a pint,
Give
Chin.
me $2,000.
You make a pint. Different as she different herself. She different herself.
I mean, to put 1,650.
She different herself.
1,650.
She different herself. That she different herself. That she do, right?
You come. A big Joe.
But me one of them people that really watch the video, brother. Me shock me.
Give me what me close.
Me shock me. Exactly. You don't see the video?
My man can so go wait to now. Come and give me rocks.
She different herself. You watch the video, you go say she different herself.
Put in the comment section who you agree with. I'm not going to lie to you. Jake is winning over Akeem right now. People, before we go on to what Diamond has to say, remember to follow my Credible Boss channel, right? Because I be a thing I go on with the TikTok there. Because you know Ivany call out Maya slays. So can they jump in and start slaying her own? You see me? But let's hear what Diamond have to say about the whole ordeal. You feel me?
I mean, I'm a magnum god dance. Me don't need company for God. And years me I do this. Me a travel to America by myself, go work. Me don't need friend. So if I see me around one girl, I like blood clot, yo. Cause me no power up with girl. So me no want every day to come about roast soon, cause time I like, you think me pussy a chop up under me? Or me a walk and think up the Airbnb. Every day to come about roast soon, stop and time I like, you know, so me head mad. What you talk about? All the girl I come chat about me shame my Rose. What the fuck me a part people me shame her for? Me dumb blood clot shame my Rose as Moody gonna read Rose. Moody gonna read Rose. Rose have been disgusting ways and he ready. Me have my disgusting ways them too. When me back up people to a shut up people. Everybody have their disgusting ways because me have for me disgusting ways them too. Cause I'm ready me get attitude to all of the people need that. Everybody have a disgusting side of them. Everyone away. So I don't know why fuck when I say no. All of we disgusting when we ready. Cause I'm ready to make Rose attitude and what left him. And that me I tell you. The whole of we have there, when we ready Rose upon, it's the attitude of what do you know. And Rose don't do me nothing. And when we ready Rose come out in a fear mood too. And when Rose in a fear mood, me just slow Rose I'm in my room. Rose just slow me. Some of them know what it means to look about talk about a bill video about Rose soon cuss Diamond. Rose soon. For you know me till now. Who never see me afraid that girl or boy on the app yet? No man. No girl. Hey, if you come on the app on this me and me don't answer you, try know say I like me like you. When me like people, I don't cuss with them. I'm telling you that. Come in afraid of no boy, no girl, no dear. Me born as a lone soldier. Me never keep friend. When I go, I never see me no friend. No care no see me in my yard. In my house. Brother, I'm a lone par. I'm not par with people. Me never go out with security for sure no. Me never go around with security. Me go by myself. Par me the love war, you know. Because that's why me have a wicked eye me have. A wicked eye me have like a boy. So me avoid people. Me avoid people. Because in my mind I have to kill you. And you attack me. So me avoid people because I have wicked eye like man. Me avoid people because I am a celebrity. And I have visa, I travel. And some people just want to come see you. If you look argument with you, if you look like you lose the opportunity in life. You hear me I tell you no? Me no love work and me war for kill. So me avoid problem. Because me deadly. Me a no girl now grab up in no ear. Me now grab up in no girl. I know me a no girl now fist to fist. Because me I tell you, as me start argue, me I kill me want kill you. That's why me avoid people, bro. I march me born. Me pre evil. Evil if you're a man or you're a woman. You see how me little and short? As me start catch up you come and me feel like you're going to kill me. So me first want to kill you. I saw me pre dead. That's why me avoid people, brother. Me avoid people. Because me a no girl now fist to fist. No girl now grab me head. As me start argue, me a reach my weapon. And me use me eye and look for something. Knock you out, kill you. Remember my body liquor. Me not grab up with nobody. So me avoid people, brother. Remember me is a traveler. Me don't want no fingerprint. Some of them just want to come in their phone and video Rose. Me see one girl got Akeem car and go hear Rose and Rose go so. And by the time the girl come down and back there so, the girl left on Rose big and stable and Rose back all the big, you know. Rose back all the big and Rose might not have the perfect shape, you know. But Rose is a nice girl, you know. You know Rose not ugly, though. You know Rose not ugly. And Rose not put on makeup. Rose not ugly, you know. Rose back all the big. Rose not ugly, none at all. Rose don't ugly. No time. I don't know friend me I look. And me no afraid of Rose. But just attack truth and facts. Cause Rose don't ugly. None at all. Rose not ugly. And Rose teeth them in her head clean. Me I tell you no. Rose back only big. And Rose does not have no shape. That's all. And to do it all Rose bossy and proud. God couldn't give Rose face and shape. Cause I when judgment over this blood clot. I mean I ask you no. Me no. And them a beat down Akeem glass because they know Akeem care. I don't know for me care. Because I figure it out no drive, bro. And them a beat, and we tired, you know, remember say how much hour we are drive for town, you know, figure and niggle, you know. And we in the elephant man go in, and the security man take we near for we go in. And the people a beat down the glass for hear Rose. And if I hear the girl and behind me out there, so they don't know what I mean at the car, you know. Rose big and fat and ugly. Rose look thinking of Akeem car. Rose he come out. Akeem want better. I saw them a diss up Rose, you know. And me I figure it out on the next car, I don't know, so I win at the car right back this side, you know. And Rose, I do them nothing, you know. I tell you, you know. I mean at the car, I don't know, so I mean at the car, you know. The car don't know for me car. I mean I sort of figure it out, you see how them people stay, you know, I diss up the girl now. So me no know what I say. Yeah? More I me walk. If me was there, you know if you ask, blood clot me. Cause when I don't say me and Rosealee when go throw it down, yes, I throw it down, blood clot no. If me when blood clot, me then bust up somebody head. Me no care if Rosealee wrong and me don't me tell her so she blood clot wrong. I me no care if Rosealee want like me and cuss me as one of blood clot say. So don't ask the time I did blood clot there. Cause me when did them bust up somebody blood clot too. I me don't me tell Rosealee say blood clot wrong. I saw me blood clot still. I me no care if Rosealee want come tomorrow morning come cause me cuss up back her blood clot too. So nobody ask it when me when did there. Cause me when blood clot did there dead before this honor. I would have drudged me go kill one away. Every minute me not gonna talk about Rosealee soon cost me. Rosealee not a secret for me, you know. We not go like Rosealee a secret for me. Me not look loyalty, you know. If me a par, me just a par. Me sick and tired of blood cloud with this dirty argument, but Rosealee, this Akeem you not gonna talk about. Akeem, where you rest off of my name to Kingmixup. Ease up blood clot me. Can you me say I do video every minute Kingmixup I go chat about. A Diamond X. Kingmixup, you go like Rosealee a secret for me. Me not just swear on my pussy up on my foot, you know. Every minute do on the Rosealee, assume me next. You know what Rosealee have secret for me. Me tired of blood cloud with this argument here. Me look like me friend of people. And we're in a box, liar they come off with Diamond in there for. If me when blood clot present, you that's to me. Cause if me a par with a girl, whether you lie me or not, I want me and going on that blood clot.
Put in the comment section what you think about that. Like I said, people, none of these relationships on TikTok is real. It's all for monetary gain. So I definitely don't be buying what them selling. You see what I say? Put in the comment section if you do. You know what I mean? I'm not going to say none of these friendships is real, but we already say what time it is. You know what I mean? If people is really checking for people, you're saying. But anyway, people, if you want to continue with the Bugga with this series.
When me say she probably upset about the video because she came on TikTok and talk about the video, and she probably upset say Akeem kiss her.
You can check out Blessin's response upon my Mix-Up and Things channel that you see spelled in front of you right there. And you can check out Rosealee response on my Kingmixup YouTube channel. You see me, I say, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we be dropping these latest stuff. Bless.